In this lab, we are going to go through Implement VLANs and Trunking in Packet Tracer lab. Objectives for this lab is configure VLANs, assign ports to VLANs, and configure static trunking and configure dynamic trunking. We are working in a company that is getting ready to deploy a set of new 2960 switches in a branch office. We are working in the lab to test out the VLAN and trunking configuration that are planned, configure and test the VLANs and trunks. In part 1, we will configure VLANs on all 3 switches and refer to the VLAN table that is provided in the Word file. To make it easy on all ports, on all devices, I create a notepad file and then I write my VLANs here. So VLAN 10 name admin, because I want to copy it into each of these switches. VLAN 20 name accounts, VLAN 30 name HR, VLAN 40 name voice, VLAN 99 name management, and VLAN 100 name native. Also, if you look at F01 on both is in VLAN 10, 2 is in VLAN 20, 3 is VLAN 30, so we can assign them as well. Interface FA01 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Then we copy paste this F02 to VLAN 20 and then F03 to VLAN 30. So we copy this and paste it into this enable conf t and we paste them. To verify that, show VLAN. As you see, F01 is in admin, F02 is in 20, F03 in 30. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 99 and 100. We do the same for here. Enable conf t and then paste. Same thing here. Enable conf t and then paste. To show VLAN, will show us the VLAN and the ports which has been assigned to them. 1, 2, 3 on all of them. In SWA we didn't need to do 1, 2, 3, as we need just G0 and G1, but it's okay. And as you know, this F04 data is in VLAN 10 and voice is in VLAN voice, which was 40. Conf T interface FA04 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, switch port voice it's access to VLAN 40, so VLAN 40. So we put the data in VLAN 10 and voice in VLAN 40. Now we configure the static trunk. The link between SWA and SWB needs to be static trunk, and we disable dynamic trunking on this port. Then we disable DTP, dynamic trunking protocol, on the switch port on both ends of the trunk link, and then we configure the trunk with the native VLAN and eliminate native VLAN conflicts if any. So interface G01, switch port mode trunk, and switch port no negotiate. Then interface VLAN 99 has IP address of 192.168.99.353/24 and enter. Then on SWA, interface G01, switch port trunk, native VLAN 100. If you remember, our VLAN 100 was the native VLAN. Switch port mode trunk, and switch port no negotiate. In G02, on the other hand, switch port trunk native VLAN 100, switch port mode dynamic desirable, and then we have interface VLAN 99 with IP address 192.168.99.252/24. No shot. And on G02, on switch 3, we go to conf t, interface G02, switch port trunk native VLAN 100, switch port mode trunk, and then we have interface VLAN 99, IP address 192.168.99.254.255.255.255.0. So now if we ping from here to 192.168.10.11, you can see we can ping it. Goes through the trunk ports and then goes to VLAN 10. We can ping 12 as well. As you see, only devices on VLAN 10 can be pinged in VLAN 10. VLAN 20 can ping all the devices in VLAN 20, and 30 can ping all the devices in VLAN 30.